Kagame natagira gutya ngo arekera aho ahinduke azabyicuza.
Kagame can't come to the US right now. I hope you don't know that.
Ati ndakeka mubizi mwese ko Kagame adashobora gukandagiza ikirenge ciwe hano muri Amerika ubu ngubu. Murabizi mwese?
You know, he needs a special permission to come.
Ati kugira ngo akandagize ikirenge cye aha muri Amerika ngo akeneye uruhusha rudasanzwe kugira akandagire hano muri Amerika. Kagame ibyawe byose dore bifunguriye hano, bamenye umuceri wose ahangaha, amasaka bayamenye, inkoko ziriko ziratora ntiwareba. Kagame ngo inusubize hano ngo ntiwakandagira ku butaka bwa Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika ubu ngubu shwida, bakwambuye nta visa yabo wabona, ngo ukeneye uruhusha special rudasanzwe kugira ngo wongere ukandagire muri Amerika. We azabaho yicuza. Kagame urumva
uranze Kagame, uranze ubaye inzirondo, akare urakabuyanze, Afurika yoshibuza amahwemo, urumusonga muri rubanda, uragahinda ni wowe gihanda wabandi barababeshera, umunyagasuzuguro warutanze, inda yakubya yeyo yararumbye, rose sezera ukora turambiye. Say goodbye, you are so boring Kagame, sema kwaheri wewe ni mchoshi sana Kagame, gamba musibule obola nyo Kagame, loba bonne ozenuye makasi Kagame, dis au revoir, tu es tellement nouye Kagame, rose sezera kukurara miranye Kagame. Twari dutuje abo mukarere duwairana, amahoro ari yose Rwanda tawishisha Rwanda, mu Burundi batekanye, mu Bugande batekanye, Tanzania batengamaye, muri Kongo ari nko mu rugo umaze kuzura bivuyanga, uzana marira n'agahinda none ubu mu Burundi bararira, mu Bugande bararira, no muri Tanzania bararira, muri Kongo baraboro kubera Kagame. Say goodbye, you are so boring Kagame, sema kwaheri wewe ni mchoshi sana Kagame, gamba musibule obola na Kagame, loba bonne ozenuye makasi Kagame, dis au revoir, tu es tellement nouye Kagame, rose sezera kukurara miranye Kagame. Uri umusonga muri rubanda, uragahinda ni wowe gihanda wabandi barababeshera, umunyagasuzuguro arawutanze, inda yakubya yeyo yararumbye. Say goodbye, you are so boring Kagame, sema kwaheri wewe ni mchoshi sana Kagame, gamba musibule obola nya Kagame, loba bonne ozenuye makasi Kagame, dis au revoir, tu es tellement nouye Kagame, rose sezera kukurara miranye Kagame.
Rwanda and why we have to sanction them. And he told me that every time you bring up the killings and the horrible murders that he's doing to his own people and to also the poor Congolese, they always say, in 1994, we had the genocide. We understand. We're sorry about that. But the killings, in 1994, we had the genocide. This man has used the debt of people to cover his, pardon my French, his bottom. It's an excuse for everything. Kagame will murder an entire family, and he would say, stop killing people. And he would say, in 1994, we had the genocide. It's stupid. It's enough. We've had enough of this nonsense. It's enough.